Hey everybody, welcome back to my another video. So let's talk about how to use Meetup Pro account feature. So let me tell you guys, Meetup Pro is designed to help you manage a network of multiple meetup groups from a single centralized dashboard. It gives you access to advanced community management, scheduling, and analytics tools to scale your organization. So one of the key features is linking and managing multiple groups. Instead of paying for multiple individual subscriptions, Pro allows you to run an unlimited number of groups on a single account. Now the next is cross-group network events. You no longer need to manually copy and paste events into every single group. Just select network events in your navigation bar and then tap create network event. You can draft a single event, select the groups you want to host it in, and publish it to all of them at the exact same time. Now, to use the Pro registration form, toggle on the Pro registration form when creating an event. You can require members to share their current role, organization name, or main reason for attending to complete their RSVP. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.